Long ago, in the land of Babylon, there was a mighty king named Nebuchadnezzar. One day, he built a huge golden statue, taller than a house, shining in the sun. The king made a command. When the music plays, everyone must bow down and worship the golden statue. Whoever does not bow will be thrown into a blazing furnace. The people were afraid. So, when the music played, flutes, harps, trumpets, everyone bowed low to the ground. Everyone except 3 men. Their names were Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They were faithful to the one true God. And they said, "We will not bow to a statue. We worship only the Lord." Some jealous men rushed to the king and said, "Your Majesty, those 3 refuse to bow. They are disobeying your command." The king was furious. "Bring them to me at once." Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stood before Nebuchadnezzar. The king's eyes blazed with anger. "Is it true?" he roared. "You will not bow to my statue? If you refuse, I will throw you into the blazing furnace. Then what God could possibly save you?" The 3 friends answered bravely, "O king, we do not need to defend ourselves. Our God is able to save us from the fire. But even if he does not, we will never bow to your statue." The king's face turned red with rage. "Heat the furnace 7 times hotter," he shouted. The soldiers tied up the 3 men and threw them into the blazing flames. The fire roared so fiercely that it killed the soldiers who came too close. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego fell into the furnace, still trusting God. Then something incredible happened. The king jumped to his feet. "Wait! Did we not throw 3 men into the fire? Look! I see 4 men walking around unharmed, and the 4th looks like a son of the gods." Inside the furnace, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stood calmly. Their ropes had burned away, but they were not hurt, and they were not alone. God had sent his angel to protect them. "Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, come out!" the king shouted. They stepped out of the furnace. Not a single hair was burned. Their clothes didn't even smell like smoke. Everyone gasped in amazement. The king declared, "Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. No other God can save in this way." These 3 friends chose to stand for God, even when it meant facing the fire. And God was with them in the flames. Sometimes life feels like a fiery furnace, full of hard times and scary choices. But remember, when we stand firm in faith, we are never alone. God is always with us, even in the fire. Faith in fire shows the world the power of God's love.
Do you enjoy the story? I'm sure you did. Please subscribe to this channel to hear more interesting Bible stories and faith-filled songs. I'll see you next time. Bye.